China is set to showcase cutting-edge technology at its 2025 parade. From hypersonic missiles and next-generation tanks to giant underwater drones and the world's first combat-ready, loyal Wingman drone, this event highlights how innovation is reshaping global power. Stay tuned as we explore what's new, why it matters, and what it means for the future. One of the central highlights of China's 2025 parade will be its hypersonic and precision missile systems. The event is expected to showcase the YJ series anti-ship missiles, including the YJ-15, YJ-17, YJ-19, and YJ-20. Each represents a different leap forward in speed, design, and adaptability. The YJ-15 is believed to be a supersonic missile, able to fly at more than 768 miles per hour, offering faster response capabilities than many traditional systems. The YJ-17 and YJ-19 push even further. Both are expected to exceed 5 times the speed of sound and incorporate in-flight maneuverability. This combination makes them much harder to track or intercept compared to conventional missiles. Analysts suggest the YJ-19 may rely on a ramjet engine for sustained hypersonic speeds, while the YJ-17 is designed for high-speed maneuvers after separation from its booster. Adding intrigue is the YJ-20, thought to be an aero-ballistic missile that blends elements of ballistic and cruise missile flight paths. Its design may allow launches from different platforms, including ships, creating flexibility in deployment. Rehearsals also revealed new transporter erector launcher vehicles carrying covered canisters, hinting at either upgraded or entirely new road-mobile intercontinental systems. Though details remain undisclosed, this signals a continued focus on mobility and survivability. What makes this significant is not simply the technology, but the timing. These systems appear ready for operational service rather than being experimental prototypes. For global observers, this signals that China is accelerating its adoption of technologies that many countries are still developing, underscoring a transition where hypersonics are becoming part of real-world arsenals rather than theoretical designs. Equally eye-catching in the 2025 parade are the new armored vehicles, tanks, and massive underwater drones, reflecting how automation and protection are becoming central to modern defense technology. During rehearsals, next-generation tanks were spotted with uncrewed turrets, allowing operation from safer positions and reducing crew exposure. These tanks also feature active protection systems designed to sense and neutralize incoming projectiles, such as portable anti-armor weapons or loitering drones. Some vehicles appear to integrate 4-sided radar systems, laser weapons, and air defense guns, creating a layered shield against multiple types of threats. Compared to the current Type 99A main battle tank, which has been in service since 2011, these new designs are lighter, more compact, and fitted with digital age systems to match changing battlefield environments. Alongside tanks, the ground segment includes new armored fighting vehicles and fire support vehicles, expanding mobility and survivability in diverse terrains. Each of these vehicles appears tailored to withstand the growing influence of drones and precision strike weapons. At sea, for the first time, extra-large uncrewed underwater vehicles, XLUUVs, are expected to be rolled out. Measuring about 60 feet in length and designed with torpedo-style hulls, these sea drones are propelled by pump jet systems for quieter movement underwater. Markings identified as AGX-002 suggest a class of vehicles, not just one prototype. Analysts compare their appearance to Russia's Poseidon system, though there is no confirmation whether they are nuclear or conventionally powered. China is believed to run the largest XLUUV program worldwide, with at least 5 units in development. Their potential uses range from long-endurance surveillance to deploying undersea sensors or carrying payloads. Displaying them in this parade signals confidence in their readiness and ambition to dominate underwater operations through automation. Perhaps the most futuristic reveal of the parade will be the FH-97 Feihong Loyal Wingman stealth drone. This uncrewed aircraft is designed to operate alongside piloted jets, acting as a partner to expand mission capabilities and reduce risks for human crews. Rehearsal footage showed a stealth-shaped, uncrewed aerial vehicle that closely resembles the FH-97. If officially unveiled, this would make China the first country to present a combat-ready Loyal Wingman aircraft in active use. Unlike standard drones, loyal wingmen are built to take on high-risk missions, gather intelligence, provide electronic warfare support, and even shield piloted aircraft during complex operations. The significance lies in timing. The United States has been developing the XQ-58A Valkyrie as a loyal wingman platform, but its combat readiness is projected for around 2029. If China's FH-97 enters service now, it places Beijing ahead in a critical domain of future aviation. Analysts such as Andreas Rupprecht, who track Chinese aviation developments, note that the aviation elements of parade rehearsals already surpassed expectations. The FH-97's role fits into what defense experts call a system of systems approach. By networking piloted jets with drones capable of electronic jamming, radar disruption, and intelligence gathering, the Air Force gains a multiplier effect. Human pilots focus on key decisions while loyal wingmen take on dangerous or supplementary tasks. This aligns with the broader themes of the parade: multi-domain integration. Hypersonics represent speed and reach, tanks and sea drones represent survivability and autonomy, while the FH-97 illustrates the move toward collaborative air power. The debut of this drone doesn't just demonstrate engineering prowess. It highlights how China sees the future of aviation: humans and autonomous systems operating as seamless partners. This September parade isn't just a commemoration, it's a turning point in showcasing advanced technology. From hypersonic missiles with unprecedented maneuverability, to tanks and underwater drones built with automation, to stealthy wingman aircraft bridging human and machine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.